It asks me to install the grub. Yes, we do the grub, specify it, and it is almost finishing. So it wants to boot. Yeah. So here we go. The Debian Linux. This is the CLI version of it. So you can go here and configure your Ethernet. You have two. One is a NAT and the other one is a VMNet. But I would advise you to use the terminal um, to configure. So let's go to the terminal and let's see if we can do all the configurations here. Sudo. Okay, let's go with the IP address. Yeah, we have the IP address. So because we have 192.168.127, it is going to be the NAT, and then we have 34 without anything. So sudo apt update is not in sudo's list, so which means sudo is already there. I'm not in the sudo's list, which means I have to add myself in sudo's list. Super user, because I have done it once, I know exactly what to do. So that's why practice is very important. So use right sudo user mode g sudo th. This is not just Nitish, it is Nitish C. Oops, Nitish C. Yeah, I could see that I'm in sudo mode here. So exit. So now let's go and say sudo update. Okay, exit. Possibly a reboot. That effective. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt upgrade. So everything is fine. Now let's go into our interfaces, network, nano interfaces. So here you have loopback, and you don't have, all right, okay. So it's sudo nano interfaces, sudo interfaces. It is not having the NAT for some reasons, so let's add them. This is a network. We'll go back to this SSH, Control C, Control X, so etc interface. It's what etc network interfaces. So let's have this as a reference here. So wait, allow or plug ENS window IP address, so which is 33 fix DNS 33 net DHCP. This is the internal network. Will be a DHCP in future when we configure all the DHCP thing. ENS 34 iFace ENS 34 iNet static. Address is 192.168.2.10. Net mask is 255.255.255.0. Control X, Y, enter. IP address. Okay, IP address. It should need a restart. System CTL restart network. So here we go. We have the IP addresses. So if I ping 192.168.2.1, should be able to ping. Oh, destination host unreachable. IP address ping. Oh, that's a problem here. That's a problem here. Right. So the thing here is I have given 2.10 here. It is connected to DebianClient, so it should be 2.1, but I have given 2.10 here. So no problem here. Let's go back. Control C. sudo nano interface. Let's make this guy as 1. Control X, Y, enter. Restart. Okay, P address, it's 1.1, so ping 192.168.2.10, and now he can ping here. From here, ping 192.168.2.1, which is the client. Yeah, it can ping. So which means here we have made a small change here. This is not 2.10, this is 2.1, and this is 2. Sorry for this. And this is 2.10. So which means here this network is also up and running. Let's check this net. Yeah, this one is also pinging, this one is also pinging, which means we have done all the basic configurations. So that's it. So we have configured all our interfaces. This is what you need for to submit for your first part of your coursework, right? So what have we done? So we have downloaded all the servers, Windows Server, Windows Client, and Debian. We have configured the IP address, and we have tested the connectivity. All pings well. So next we will be focusing on routing and remote access, and then we will, so this is what, so it is very important for you to read the entire tasks so that you can decide which one you have to do first and which one you can do it next, right? So we will continue this in our next video.